Hi there. This video is about our smallest model and the new product we have launched about this smallest model. It's called Solo Hobby, to put on in your garden, in your backyard, or wherever you want. Usually when people want to build a bigger A-frame, it takes time. And if you already have a land, it would be nice to use this land while you are preparing your build. So we've launched a product available in our webshop. We got links below, links in the description, and you can just buy it, download. You can go to your local hardware store, get materials, get the tools, and build it in a weekend. Later on, when you are building your main house, you can use it to store the tools, to serve coffee for your builders, have a changing room for your builders. And when the house is ready, you can rent it out. You can use it as a home gym, home studio, home office. All right. So here is our web shop, shop.avrame.com, and here you go. You got our goodies, our merch, and plan sets. Click on plan sets, and here you have our permitting plans and our two DIY plans. Both are for Solo Hobby. One is in imperial inches, in case if you live in Liberia, Myanmar, or United States, and the metric for the rest of the world. You can see what's included, and when you have bought it, you should receive a zip file, and after unzipping it, you get a folder with files, tools, shopping lists, and tool lists. Here you have all the materials listed. You can take it to your local hardware store and just buy the stuff you need to build it. And the second file is the project file itself. So in the beginning, contents, characteristics of the building itself, some images, elevations, floor plan with dimensions, a 3D view, cross section, foundation plan. It's a simple pillar foundation. You don't have to have them squared. You can just buy some tubes, put them in the ground, and cast concrete into it. On the tubes, or sorry, pillars, you will have to put some beams, sleepers on the beams, OSB or plywood to stop insulation falling to the ground. And here you have the actual truss, A-frame truss, and gable walls. These can be cut from 2x4s with a regular handsaw. Here you have some cross sections, how to put the thing all together. If you don't have two left hands, you can do it. Roof plan, doors and windows you need to buy, and cut lists, and fastening specs, all the nails and staples and U-brackets and stuff you need. Well, your hardware store will get you covered. That's it. It will take two builders and maybe 2 days, and you have this tiny house done. As always, thank you for watching and visit our shop.